Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO M4 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset operation or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and, for example, the screen does not respond to your touches. All you have to do to reset the system is to press the power button, which is located right here on the right side, long enough until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button and keep pressing. Of course, we've got this reboot option, but let's pretend that we cannot really tap on it because of the screen issues. So keep pressing the power button. We've got the black screen, which is really good. We've got also the developer's logo. I felt the vibration, which means that in a second our device will be restarted. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.